Should you repair or replace your oven? Good news. Ovens and ranges have the longest lifespan of any major appliance, so the repair math usually favors fixing them. Lifespan data. Gas ranges last 15 to 20 years. Electric ranges last 13 to 18 years. Wall ovens can last 20 plus years. These are the longest lasting appliances in your kitchen. When to repair? Almost always if it's under 12 years old. Ovens are simpler than fridges and washers. Fewer moving parts. Fewer electronic components. The most common repairs, igniter, element, sensor, are all under $250 and extend life by years. When to replace? If the oven is over 15 years old and needs a control board or multiple repairs simultaneously. Or if it's a glass top range with a cracked cooktop surface at 500 plus to replace. Common repairs and costs. Gas igniter $150 to $250. Electric bake element $150 to $250. Temperature sensor $100 to $200. Door gasket $50 to $150. These are all worth doing on any oven under 15 years old. Expensive repairs to think twice about. Control board $300 to $500. Glass cooktop replacement $400 to $700. Self-clean door lock assembly $200 to $350 on an older unit. Premium brands like Viking, Wolf, Thermador, and Miele always repair. These ovens cost $3,000 to $10,000 new. A $500 repair is always worth it. Honest oven repair advice. Port St. Lucie, Stewart, Fort Pierce, Jensen Beach. Call Treasure Coast Appliance Repair at 772-353-5791.